This is my man cave. As you can see, it's a giant mess. And right here's the mini bike that I've been working on. It's pretty much bone stock. I've got a stage 1 kit. That's what you can see with the muffler there, the header. You can see over here with the air filter, and I put a jet in the carb. But for the most part, it's stock. I mean, I still got the headlight and everything on it. And now I'm going to introduce something new to this channel. Alright folks, I am super proud of myself. This is the first time, but I pulled the motor out. It was more intimidating than it was to just do it. It wasn't really that bad. She's right there. We're going to go ahead and put in that billet flywheel. See that plastic one sticking out? Yeah, we're going to go with that right there. And the valve springs, we got to get up into the cover, and I don't feel comfortable doing it. That's why I pulled the motor, and I'm going to see my buddy. So to be continued. Alright, welcome back everyone. We just changed the valve springs, 18 pounders. We're about to put that billet flywheel on. There's Pat. Okay, I wanted to show you guys some tools that we got here. This valve lash tool for setting the lash right there, and also this hold down tool. I think Pat got it from Old Mini Bike Warehouse, OMB, or where'd you get this hold down tool?
OMB Warehouse.
OMB Warehouse, yep. Alright, well thanks to Pat and his fancy tools, we got it. She's a beaut, ain't she? Right here at work. Beautiful Lake Michigan. You can see it's the end of the day and we're doing our mini bikes now. Because we've got a race coming up in Indiana. Hope we have more content to show you for our new race team, Hammers Down Racing. Hello everyone, I'm very excited to say that I got the motor put back in. You can see that beautiful billet flywheel and the valve springs. So far these are the only two performance things I've done, unless you would consider that stage 1 kit performance. Almost there. It's been fun. Alright, I got the bike completely figured out. I'm ready for racing. These are the dipshits. The other ones are the gang. That's Will. This is his motor. We're going to work on that now. There's Pat. He's the one that's helped me get the bike like it is. I got a funny story to tell you later. Alright, well we got Will's mini bike together. We got him loaded up. You can see the trailer's ready to go. All hooked up to my truck, and we are fixing to go have us a good time. Alright, well I said I had something funny, and that's something funny.
It does look like pepperoni slaps.
I learned that if your valve lash isn't set properly, it's so hard to pull that once you go like this, it's going to yank back and whack you on the way down. Trust me, it'll do that. Set your valve lash properly. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. God bless.